Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we'd like to show you how to integrate a payment gateway and receive payments online. To integrate a payment gateway, you should go to Settings and choose Accept Payments Online. Here you need to click on Add Payment Provider. In my case, I'm using Paddle, so I choose Paddle. I see that I need to specify my vendor ID. So I go to my Paddle account, go to Developer Tools and click on Authentication. I see that my Paddle vendor ID is this one, so I copy it and paste to my taplink account. Then I see that I need to specify my vendor auth code. I go back to my Paddle account and see that here I am able to generate auth code. I type in API key name and API key description and click on Generate Key. Then I need to reveal auth code and copy it and again paste it to my taplink account. Then I see that I need to specify my public key. So I go back to Paddle again, go to public key, and I need to copy the complete public key from the begin public key to the end public key line, and again paste it to my taplink account. Then I need to set up the URL to receive notifications and select all webhook events. I copy the given link, go to Paddle, and click on Events. I need to paste that link to this field, URL for receiving webhook alerts. Then I need to enable all webhook checkboxes I want to receive and click Save Changes. Then I go back to my taplink account and choose a payment method. I will choose a bank card and click Save Changes. You've just integrated a payment gateway, but that's not enough. To be able to receive payments online, you should create a form that your potential clients will fill out, and after that they will be redirected to make a payment. To do that, you should go to Page, click Add Block, and choose Form and Payments. You can add as many fields as you need. Then you should go to Payments, enable Receive Payments, indicate a price and the purpose of payment, so in my case it will be service and it'll be consultation. And then you should click Save Changes. That's it, you've just created a form that people will fill out, and after that they will be redirected to make a payment. And that's how you receive payments online in Taplink. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next tutorials.